Hi my friends, welcome to another video, and I want to say happy new year to all my friends, my followers, my family, my subscribers. God will bless you this year 2024 more than he did in the year 2023. So this is Aidan tea, and come, let's make Aidan tea together. So you bring some, I brought some Aidan pod. That's what I wanted to say. So I cut it into two so that it can fit into my cup. So on the screen, I'll be writing all the benefits of Aidan tea. Okay, Aidan tea is very, very beneficial, and I encourage you to, it reduces inflammation. I encourage you to add it into your regular cuisine, or use it to replace any of your sugar drinks for this year, and it is super duper easy. So I just put it into my thermos, and then I poured really hot water, covered it, and allow it to brew for another 5 to 10 minutes. The longer the better, so that you get all the benefits out from the dry Aidan pod. So that was all I did. So I just covered my thermos cup and allow it to really brew together with the steam and all that, and ta-da! My Aidan tea is ready. So you see the cup. So I intentionally poured it into a white cup so that you see the color, to know that yes, it actually have brewed. And feel free to go ahead and drink this. So what I do, I put it into my big thermos cup and I sip it throughout the day. This has been super duper helpful. It reduces inflammation. Feel free to read all the benefits on the screen. It's reduces your high blood pressure and more. Okay, and I want to say again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, click that red button that shows subscribe, click the bell sign, click the option that says all. That way you receive all my notifications anytime I post my video. Okay, and like this video, also share to your friends. You never can tell who you will be helping. Okay, happy new year. And that's me drinking and sipping my iPod tea. Just feel free to be sipping it at will, at intervals, however you want. If you want to sit at a spot and drink your thing, well, what I did, because I have so much quantity, so I just try to sip it throughout the day. So just do you and be you as always, and I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.